Walk and work on NextFloat. There have been many problems with the structures necessary for water activities. Styrofoam structures is not durable, and it costs a lot to maintain wooden or concrete ones. In addition, it was difficult to reuse those structures. Actually, when they were damaged by typhoon, reinstalling them required excessive input of heavy equipment and manpower. They incurred high cost, and additional upper fixtures needed to be made. NextFloats are different. They are modular type structures that can float on water and be extended in desired patterns. They are eco-friendly modular type pontoons with superb designs. Safe, easy to assemble and dismantle, convenient, highly economical, environment conscious, heavy duty. As shown in the following, it is very easy to assemble, dismantle, and move and transport. Check the corner points of the products first, and then place them in rectangular sequence in the counterclockwise direction. Erect the exclusive wrench vertically after completely inserting the connection pin overlapping 4 connection lugs. Lock them by turning the exclusive wrench to 45 degrees. When it can be checked that the protruding part of the connection pin is caught at the groove part of the float, it can be said that the assembly work is completed. Deck-on floats are excellent products, designed in a way that decks can be directly linked without installing the upper frames excessively. Additionally, they are patented products, structured in a way that the nuts for fixing bolts are built in. The products are superb in loosening-proof function, which will help prevent nausea, for example from waves. Safety handrails, benches, or streetlights can be installed, allowing the structure to go well with the surrounding environment and the watery scenery, and maintain its eco-friendly landscape and mood. Picture to yourself what they might be. The existence of NextFloats will help materialize what we could not imagine previously. NextFloats can be used conveniently in a variety of environments, such as at sea, water, waterfront, reservoirs, and wetlands. Floating piers that can adapt to water levels. Floating bridges for ecological observation, which can be easily installed at waterfront parts and reservoirs. Mooring facilities with new technologies, where boats, yachts, and fishing vessels can anchor. Modular type barges, which can be applicable for various types of work conditions. Barges for purifying water and checking water quality and preventing green algae. Biodiesel fermenter. Cage cultures with new technologies, which are supplemented in the weak points of previous cultures that are vulnerable to typhoons. Floating structures for diverse facilities. Other leisure structures. Leading with clean and creative technologies and competitiveness, the company will position itself as an enterprise that specializes in floats. Walk and work on NextFloat.